Lesson 4. City or Village? Talking about life in city and village. Iqbal Khan lives in a village and wants to migrate to a big city. He writes a letter to his friend Ashish, who lives in the city. Listen to the letter that Iqbal writes to Ashish and mark the problems which he is facing in the village. Iqbal. Dear Ashish, hello brother. I hope this letter finds you and all at home in the pink of health. It has been a long time since we met. I have been thinking of writing to you for quite a few days. So I finished eating dinner early this evening and took out this sheet of paper and the pen you had gifted me when we passed high school together. Nothing much has changed here over the years. Life is so slow and boring. But I'm sure you must be having an exciting lifestyle there. City life always appears to be so colorful and attractive. It must be so much fun with many opportunities for growth. Ashish, my brother, I am writing to you for a special reason. I am considering the option of moving to a big city. Here, in the village, the living conditions are getting difficult. Last year, the whole wheat crop was ruined due to untimely rains. And you know that there is no other way to earn a living here. As a result, unemployment is another problem I am facing these days. The house is so old and dilapidated. The roof leaks, and there is no scope for any modern amenities to be installed. Another concern is Ammi's health. She is asthmatic and also has knee problems. The medical aid available is not satisfactory. The government-appointed doctors and nurses are irregular in their visits to the village. Usually, the clinic remains closed. I need to rush to the nearby town for tests and medicines every now and then. I feel bad about Ramila, as she works endlessly from morning to night, taking care of the household, children, and cattle. In the city, she will be able to enjoy her life, and she plans to do some course in makeup and start her own beauty parlor. She also insists that as the children are growing up, we need to think about their education. By the way, Akram is now in class 7th and Amina will be completing class 10th. The village school doesn't have many facilities. Ashish bhai, I have to think about their higher education, especially about Amina. I wish that my daughter receives the best education from a well-known college and becomes someone in life. What I believe is that shifting to the big city will solve all my problems. I have been thinking along these lines for quite a few days now. I thought it would be a good idea to take your advice and help in this regard. You are living in a big city, and I'm sure you will be able to guide me as to how I should go about it. I would like to meet you sometime soon and discuss the possibilities of getting some job and house there in the city. Do let me know when I should come to see you. By the way, have you finished the jar of clarified butter that I had sent for you last time with our village postmaster Gokul Bhai? Let me know so that I can bring some more for you when I come to meet you. Hope to get your reply soon, brother Ashish. Give my regards to Bhabiji and love to Reema and Rita. Your loving friend, Iqbal Khan.